Learn English through stories. Listen and speak. Our story today is The Colorful Garden Adventure. Once upon a time, in a beautiful garden, there lived 4 friends: Red Rose, Blue Sky, Yellow Sun, and Green Grass. One sunny day, Red Rose wanted to explore the garden.
Hello, blue sky. Hello, yellow sun. Hello, green grass. Let's go on an adventure,
Said Red Rose. Blue Sky, Yellow Sun, and Green Grass happily agreed. They walked around the garden together. As they walked, they saw a bright red apple on a tree.
Look, Red Rose. It's as red as you.
Said Blue Sky. Red Rose smiled and replied.
Yes, it is. Red is my favorite color.
Then, they found a little stream with clear blue water.
Oh, Blue Sky, this water is as blue as you.
Said Yellow Sun. Blue Sky chuckled.
Yes, it is. Blue is a wonderful color.
Next, they spotted a field of golden flowers.
Yellow Sun, these flowers are as yellow as you.
Exclaimed Green Grass. Finally, they reached a meadow covered in fresh green grass.
Green grass, this meadow is as green as you.
Said Red Rose. Green Grass swayed happily and said,
I love green. It's so calming.
The 4 friends enjoyed their colorful adventure in the garden. They learned about colors and became even better friends. And from that day on, whenever they looked at the colors around them, they remembered their wonderful adventure in the garden. Now, answer the following questions. Who are the 4 friends in the story? What is Red Rose's favorite color? Which color did Green Grass love? What did the friends find near the stream? What did the friends learn about each other during their adventure? Thanks for watching. Keep practicing.